Hello everybody, I've got an interesting piece for you here. This is a Russian 1727 grivna, which was the equivalent of 10 kopeks back in the day, which is roughly a tenth of a ruble. Now this is Catherine the Great. It's what they consider plate money, if you can call it that. I'm going to unwrap it in a sec there. Essentially they would make this form of coinage and just stamp it really. So instead of actually minting coins, they would just cut a piece of copper and put some official stamp markings on it and obviously give it a value. Now I couldn't imagine walking around with this in your back pocket. Certainly it's a very hefty piece. It's about 167 grams, so you can just imagine you know, carrying this around in your pocket, or at least having maybe 2 or 3 of them. It would certainly weigh quite a bit. It's got the Russian eagle emblems in the 4 corners, and then it's obviously got the Russian inscription there in the middle. I'll just bring it a bit closer for you so you can see. Yeah, so it was just the one side has the legends and obviously the stamps. Obviously on the back there is absolutely nothing. Obviously you can see where they've impressed the markings on the front. Now essentially this is a novelty. This isn't the original. If it was the original it would look a little bit different, but you'd get the same effect. I have sold one of these already on eBay, so there is someone out there who has looked at it. It's fairly thick as well. If you look at the thickness of it, it's a very nice example. You don't normally see these, so hence why I decided to get a couple. Definitely something for the collection. You don't really see them. I don't even think any of the other countries have minted anything sort of plate money. I know there's siege pieces that you can get, particularly in England, with particular markings and stamps on, but this was official coinage. So yeah, a very interesting piece. If you could like the video, obviously once you're finished with it, hopefully it was useful. And if there's any comments you may currently have, you can obviously list them there, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks very much.